Welcome to DIY Gardening Ideas. Epsom salt, chemically known as magnesium sulfate, is commonly used in gardening for several reasons. If you add it to your soil properly, Epsom salt can help your garden plants thrive because it increases level of magnesium and sulfur, the vital nutrients in your garden soil. Here are some of the advantages to using Epsom salt in your yard or garden. Before we start, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel and turn on the bell notification for more gardening videos like this. Number 1. Nutrient supplements. Epsom salt contains magnesium and sulfur, which are essential nutrients for plant growth. Magnesium plays a crucial role in formation of chlorophyll, which is necessary for photosynthesis. Sulfur is important for overall plant health and aids in production of vitamins, enzymes, and amino acids. Adding Epsom salt to the soil can help replenish these nutrients and promote healthier plant development. Number 2. Enhanced nutrient uptake. Magnesium in Epsom soil can improve the absorption of other essential nutrients, such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium. It assists in the conversion of sunlight into energy, which support the efficient uptake and utilization of these nutrients by plants. Number 3. Chlorophyll production. Epsom salt can enhance chlorophyll production, leading to greener and healthier foliage. This can be particularly beneficial for leafy vegetables such as lettuce and spinach, as it promotes vigorous leaf growth. Number 4. Pest control. Epsom salt has been suggested as a natural deterrent for certain pests in the garden, such as slugs. Sprinkling a barrier of Epsom salt around plants or in affected areas may help repel these pests and protect your plants. This is how you should always use Epsom salt in your garden. Number 1. Adding it to soil before planting or during season. This will help to ensure that your plants have a good supply of magnesium and sulfur from the start. You can add Epsom salt to the soil at a rate of 1 tablespoon per 10 square feet or 2 tablespoons per container if you are a container gardener like me. Number 2. Mixing it with water and spraying it on the leaves. This is a good way to give your plants a boost of magnesium and sulfur during the growing season. You can mix 1 tablespoon of Epsom salt with 1 gallon of water and spray it on the leaves of your plants every 2 weeks. Number 3. Adding it to the compost pile. Epsom salt can help to improve the nutrients content of your compost pile. You can add Epsom salt to the compost pile at a rate of 1 tablespoon per 5-gallon bucket of compost. That is it. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please click subscribe and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my future videos.